As I look ahead to 2025, I anticipate the exciting developments and positive impact that increased investment and technology will have on the healthcare and life sciences sector. This sector has consistently been at the forefront of scientific and technological innovations. Advances in personalized medicine and genomics will offer treatments tailored to each individual's unique characteristics, enabling earlier and more precise interventions. Our growing understanding of genetics in human disease, coupled with advancements in sequencing technology, will allow this sector to provide quick and accurate diagnoses, genetic risk assessments, and more personalized treatment options, transforming the lives of individuals with rare diseases or cancer, for example. Digital health, telemedicine, and remote care will extend their reach to more patients, especially those in rural or underserved areas, thereby increasing access and health equity. Wearable devices will give individuals greater access to manage their own health data. Continuous monitoring for patients and real-time data provided by these devices will complement traditional data sources such as imaging and patients' records. In 2024, similar to the trend in global deal activity, large global deals in the pharmaceutical industry plummeted to their lowest level in nearly a decade. Major drug makers prioritized investments in early-stage drug developers over placing large bets on commercially ready medicines. After a disappointing year, investors and corporate executives are optimistic that the level of M&A deals will rebound in 2025, driven by renewed confidence in strategic opportunities in the healthcare sector. This restored optimism is likely to be further fueled by the broader use of generative AI within the sector. The potential applications in the pharmaceutical sector are vast, touching virtually every aspect of the industry. The global healthcare and life sciences sector faces numerous challenges, including an aging population, extended life expectancy, a rise in chronic conditions, reduced funding for treatments, a shortage of clinical staff, escalating costs of drug development and raw materials, and supply chain disruptions. Consequently, the industry is turning to AI to leverage a wealth of data, including compound libraries, trial data, and patient information, to address these challenges and enhance patient care. These advancements will not come without their own set of challenges for the industry. Obtaining funding, securing innovations through an effective IP strategy, addressing ethics and compliance issues, competition, and product safety considerations, to name just a few. And of course, navigating the fast-evolving regulatory landscape, which is quickly catching up with technology. The upcoming EU Pharma Package, the EU AI Act, the new Product Liability Directive, and the European Health Data Space Regulation, for example. This year, we went one step further and reimagined the future. We surveyed 500 legal experts across the world to explore the likelihood of various utopian and dystopian scenarios inspired by Hollywood films. The findings reveal a spectrum of possibilities, from sentient cities and robots offering care to experiments happening in space to achieve new medical breakthroughs. 43% foresee space as the new laboratory, where biotech companies and space agencies collaborate in low Earth orbit using microgravity experimentation to achieve breakthroughs that cure diseases and extend life. This might seem like a future in a galaxy far away, but in fact it's already happening. The European Space Agency is testing this offering and hopes to launch as early as 2027. Pharmaceutical companies aiming to discover cures for new or rare diseases to build reputation and secure funding will undoubtedly be highly focused on this opportunity and the nearer-term advancements of data modeling and simulations. What was once science fiction contained to the big screen is quickly becoming a reality. As we prepare for a new future, the healthcare and life sciences sector will play a critical role. At Simmons & Simmons, we remain committed to supporting the industry as they innovate to address the unmet needs of millions of patients, aiming for a future where healthcare is more accessible, efficient, and personalized. Do dive into the other insights shared as part of this Year Ahead production, and let us know if you can identify the films that inspired our scenarios.